Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this page. Yeah.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a just simple daily cleaning video, but I'm also going to be decorating for Valentine's Day in this video as well. So I'm just excited to bring you guys along with me. I hope that it motivates you and gives you some inspiration as far as decor goes. And we're just going to start out in the kitchen today. I had some dishes in my sink to put away that I had hand washed, and then I also had a full load of dishes in the dishwasher to put away as well. So I'm just going to do that really quickly before we move into the rest of the video.
When I had the chance, maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this page. Yeah.
So now I'm just going to load the dishwasher up with a few dishes that I had here in the sink, and then you'll see me kind of move on to the rest of the kitchen. I had to stock up some snacks for the kids, and then I will just quickly pick up anything else that is on the counters. Now I did not need to deep clean my countertops or the kitchen in this video because I actually did the video prior to this, so if you missed that video, I will leave it here up in the cards for you. But I am just going to get this kitchen nice and clean and ready to go before we start decorating.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me.
So now we are going to get into the decorating portion of this video, and I figured I would show you guys the decorating towards the beginning of this video. That way if you're here just for the Valentine's Day decor, then you kind of get your fix right here in the beginning. But this was my very first year decorating for Valentine's Day. I had some Valentine's Day right done that I am showing for you guys right here, and I was just so excited to put it out and display it on my coffee bar and in my kitchen. Now, as far as the decorating goes, I did just keep it in the kitchen. I did not decorate all over my house. I don't really love Valentine's Day, if I'm being honest. I think it's kind of cheesy, but I am excited to do this for my kids. I know that they're excited. You know, it's that time of year, so I do try to decorate and make things fun for them.
But back to your bed.
Now again, as far as the decorating goes, I had no idea what I was doing because I've never decorated for this holiday before. I didn't really know what it was that I was going for, if I'm being honest. I didn't really have any inspiration pictures or anything like that. But I do love how it turned out. I think it's a perfect combination of neutral with some Valentine's Day popped in. Let me know your thoughts down below of my Valentine's Day decor. I would love to hear what you guys think.
Talking to each other, I know we feel the same about the situation, like we're stuck inside a game. Time to get out of this circle, yeah, we both carry a scar. Let's rewrite the part we're playing, time to cherish who we are. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance, not like anything we've done before, yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away.
Now, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I was having one heck of a time trying to tie these bows onto the canisters. For whatever reason, the ribbon that I used for Christmas was a lot easier to maneuver than this one that I picked up from Hobby Lobby this year. It just was not looking how I wanted it to look, but overall, I do love how everything is turning out.
Mixed emotions.
Now for the tier tray, I had one heck of a time with this as well. I just got this tier tray back in fall, so it is relatively new to me. I'm still trying to figure out how to style these and the perfect pieces to purchase for this type of decor. Again, I just didn't know what I was doing. I was trying to make sure it was the perfect combination of neutral with pops of Valentine's Day and not being over the top. So if you guys have any suggestions on my tier tray, let me know. If you love it, that's cool too. I'm always looking for y'all's input. Then over here, I just, again, wanted to add just a little bit of Valentine's Day, but nothing crazy, just because this is where I cook and all of that, and I just didn't want to see all of the crazy busyness over by my oven, so I did just decide to keep it very simple over here.
About time we let things go. Is this our destiny? Just like it was meant to be. Yeah. Come run away.
So moving on, now we are going to get into the cleaning motivation portion of this video. If this is what you are here for, I am going to start out in my living room. I really just needed to tidy up in here, put some things away, and then I will vacuum down the couch and the carpet. And then you will see me kind of work my way around the house. There were crumbs all over my floor. My kids decided to bring their snacks around the house this day, so there was a lot of extra vacuuming going on this particular day. So I will run it through the hallways, through the kitchen, and then I'll even vacuum down our stairs as well.
That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong and what is right. We keep moving in different rhythms. Still I know what you feel. We keep moving in different rhythms. Two different minds.
So once I'm done vacuuming the downstairs, I am just going to spray down our couch and our rug just to kind of freshen things up in here. And then I will actually move upstairs, and this is way later in the day when I'm filming this, but I am a mom to 2 kids, so I did have to be mama for a little while. And I am just going to make our bed. Now I know it seems kind of strange, it is nighttime and I'm making my bed, but honestly, even if I don't get to the upstairs until later in the day, it's still nice to have all of the bedrooms nice and clean, the beds made, and that way everybody goes to bed nice and happy. And while I was cleaning my daughter's room, I found this beautiful little thing of goldfish here that had been smushed into the carpet. I'm sure my kids snuck this up and didn't tell me about it until I found it later in the day. I swear, I always find the most interesting things in their bedrooms. I don't know if anybody else's kids are like this, but I always think it is so funny. So I'm also going to clean the hallway. Now, I thought it would be interesting to kind of show you guys my nighttime cleaning routine. It definitely looks a little bit different than my daily cleaning routine. Typically, in a normal day, my kids will clean up their bedrooms right after lunchtime. They will put all of their own toys away, and then at nighttime, I like to go in and put all of the toys the way that mama likes them to be put away, and just make sure everything is in the right place and that the kids have nice, organized toys for the next day. Once all of the toys are put away and the kids' rooms are nice and clean for bedtime, I am just going to vacuum. Now, I don't do this every single night. The only reason that I'm vacuuming is because I found all of those goldfish up here, and then I found a couple more in Barrett's room as well, so I just wanted to make sure that I got all of the crumbs off of the carpet. Another thing that is part of my nighttime routine is I always start a load of laundry before I go to bed. I like to do a full load of laundry. So I will put it in the washer, and then while Tim and I are watching our shows, I will kind of like work through the load. So I'll move it into the dryer and fold it all before we go to bed for the night.
We're falling out, we have reached disaster. Don't know where we're gonna be after. And we do it all again and again and again and again. Again and again and again and again. We're falling down, we faded. But I know that we can save it. 'Cause we're like alpha.
So this is actually a load of laundry that I had done earlier in the day, and I never got around to putting it away and folding it. So I am just gonna take this extra time that I have at night and get that done before I go to bed.
And Omega, Alpha and Omega. Like the waves pull you down underwater. We're fun until we hit the bottom. And we do it all again and again and again and again. Again and again and again and again. We're falling down, we faded. But I know that we can save it. 'Cause we're like Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Even if we go all out and break us down, I know we are Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Alpha and Omega. I know we can save it. 'Cause we're like Alpha and Omega. Even if we go all out and break us down, we can work it out.
Anyways, you guys, that is going to be it for this video today. I hope that you enjoyed it and it gave you some motivation to get some cleaning done in your home today. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my channel, and I will see you all in the next one.
And